To continue this exercise, we have couple of more questions that we need to answer over here. It says write a script name whose free float is greater than 35,000 crores. Calculate weightage beyond Axis Bank and create list, and then calculate weightage beyond the script which has been chosen above. So basically, we are just trying to leverage index and match, and how do we basically use it to our advantage to the fullest. So let's start with this. Script name was free float is greater than 35,000 crores. So in index and match, so let's start with the basic formula that I will choose this table and the row number which I have to identify, which is using match. If it is above 35,000, then give me that value basically, and value is from free float over here. Free float over here, and match type is greater than, which is -1 over here, and I want which column number. Basically I want the script name or the security name, so basically second column. Then I will close the bracket and I will enter it. It says not applicable. It says not applicable over here. Now why it says not applicable over here? Now we are trying. It says not applicable over here. We are yet to find out why it says not applicable over here. Let's try and change the exact match. Again, it will say not applicable, obvious for obvious reasons, because not it has no exact value as 35,000. If you put 1, then it says Idea Cellular. Idea Cellular over here. Idea Cellular over here has a free float of 9761. Again, it's a wrong answer. So then what's the issue over here? So just remember one thing. Whenever you are using this function where you are trying to identify greater than or less than 1, and you have to identify any one number or any one particular company, then you have to sort this table. You have to sort this table. So we will try and sort this table over here on the basis of what we are exactly trying to find, or basically what we are trying to compare over here. Since we are trying to compare free float over here, it can be either smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Now you see, if it's less than 35,000, then ideally it should give BPCL as an answer, or greater than 35,000 it should give Lupin as an answer, because it cannot give. Okay, so BPCL it gives as it's an answer, and if I put as -1, if I put as -1, then ideally it should give Lupin as an answer. Again, there is a problem over here. We need to find out what exactly the problem. Now since initially we had put 1, as in we had to find the smallest number, so that's why smallest to largest worked. Now when we are trying to find largest number, we have to sort it using sort largest to smallest, and when you see, it comes Lupin as an answer. So this is one little flaw in this particular index and match as a lookup function, and you have to be very critical, or you have to be very cautious about when do you use it and why are you using it. If you want entire list, then I would suggest you can go for the macros and not just use index and match as a formula. If you want a particular answer, then probably yes, index and match works. But in case of array, first it slows down the entire operation. Second, it if we overlook something, then it will give you a wrong answer. Okay. Now there is something called as calculate weightage which is beyond Axis Bank. Okay, and it's again the same point which you can try at your ease. So first we have to create a list of all scripts, and then basically you just have to give a reference and then find the weightages depending on the script which has been given over here. I will show you how it is done with Axis Bank. So for Axis Bank, calculate weightages beyond Axis Bank. Okay, so we have to first identify where the Axis Bank is lying and find out all the weightages from Axis Bank till the end and then subtract the weightage of Axis Bank. It is as simple as that. So we will start with sum formula. We will start with the sum formula and then the index formula. What are we actually trying to find out? We are actually trying to find out where the Axis Bank lies and sum all the weightages. Row number, which is match. Lookup value is basically Axis Bank. Over here, where I have to look up in the security symbol range, which is over here. Match type has to be exact. So that's pretty much. Which column I am trying to sum up, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6, column number 6 I am trying to sum up. Once I click OK, it will give me 2.63, which is only for Axis Bank. So my first part is basically done, where I have found out how much weight is for the Axis Bank. Now I have to identify from Axis Bank till the end how much weight it is there. So I will copy this formula again and I will put it over here. So in this index, this basically index will give me the location of Axis Bank. I just have to mention, so in the sum formula, this index will give me that Axis Bank is located at G13. The weightage of Axis Bank is located at F13. Sorry. I want to find the sum from F13 till the end, which is till 58. So I will write it over here, F58. Since this is an array formula, I will simply press enter. It says 96.17 and I will basically subtract it, this minus this, and I will give 93.54. Beyond Axis Bank, if I see the weightage is over here, which is from Bajaj Auto till the end, it says 93.54. Over here you can see that 93.54, and that's precisely what answer I am getting, which is 93.54. Now similar exercise you can do it for this. You just have to create a list over here and the same formula you have to write it over here. That's an homework for you guys. Please exercise this, because this is very useful when you are creating or when you are working with the data or file which is a tons of data. So I hope this was helpful. Please practice it. Thank you.